Alright, this is part 2 of the Yellow Pages pellet penetration test between the Gamma PBA Gold Raptor and the Cro-Magnon. Alright, so let's keep splitting the pages. You can tell the hollow point is starting to expand. And PBA is still just penetrating on through. You can actually see the pellets all torn apart. PBA is still going strong. And there's the pellet all flattened. Alright, PBA is still going strong. There it is. You can see how big the hole is. Pellet flattened itself from hollow point to flat. So here it is. This is what happens. Because it tends to dump all of its energy right away, so it tears big holes and stuff. PBA is still going. And it's split. You can see it's sort of energy. Actually, they sort of went in the same, just the beam and hollow point just sort of tore it up, and the Gamma PBA is right there, as you can see. So the Gamma PBA is literally overrated. It doesn't work that well. It doesn't penetrate as much as you would think. But it still delivers a lot of kinetic energy because it's going so fast. So say like, say the beam and Cro-Magnon power stopped on 287, the Gamma PBA just keeps going. It's like since it's moving so fast, it delivers a lot of kinetic energy. So there, that's about it. And so 413 for the Gamma PBA and 2 whatever for the Cro-Magnon. The difference in pellets. Big Tom science. And the pellet penetration test. Gamma PBA Gold Raptor versus the beam and hollow point. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Big Tom Science and the pellet reviews.